class. Welcome to the online class. How are you children? I hope you will all safe or at home only. Okay. Now follow this once again. I want to recap about SMS. So maintain social distance. Use mask always whenever you will be going outside or at home also you have to wear. Okay. Now and use soap or sanitizer. Wash your hands regularly. Okay. Now. So what is our previous session? Second chapter we started now. What is that? Fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Already I explained what is fraction. By leaf I explained no, fraction is nothing but a part. Okay. Now. So fractions. How many types of fractions also I explained. How many types are there? 3 types. What are they? Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. What is mean by proper fraction? What is mean by proper fraction? If the numerator will be less than the denominator. If the numerator will be less than the denominator, it is a proper fraction. Example 1/2. Okay. Then what is improper fraction? What is improper fraction? Numerator will be greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. That is 3/2, 4/3 like this. Numerator will be greater than the denominator. Now what is mean by mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing but a whole number along with a proper fraction. A whole number, any whole number you can take along with a proper fraction. 4 is a whole number and proper fraction this is 4 1/2 is a mixed fraction. So in which fraction can be changed into mixed fraction? Proper or improper? Improper fractions can be changed into a mixed fraction, not only proper fractions. Understood? Now this we studied in the previous session. Now equivalent fractions also we studied. How will you get the equivalent fractions? For example, 2/3 is there. 2/3. How will you get the equivalent fractions? Numerator and denominator should be multiplied by the same number. Then only you will get the equivalent fractions. Numerator and denominator should be multiplied by the same number. That is 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Then how it will become the equivalent fraction? Means you have to simplify. See 5 table if you simplify, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2/3 only you are getting now. Okay? Then 5/6. Say anyone's equivalent fraction of 5/6. Not only 5/5 I am saying, any number you can take and multiply the numerator and denominator. Then you will get the equivalent fraction. For example, here I am taking 6/6. Now what I will get? 5 6 are 30 by 6 6 are 36. This 30/36 is the equivalent fraction of 5/6. After cancellation again you will get the first fraction 5/6. Okay, that all we studied in the previous session. Now, okay, examples also I explained that you have to do in the classwork. Now, how to do the classwork now? First, you have to write the chapter name. Then after that, what we learn is the back side of the chapter. The key concepts you have to write all. Then what I am giving the notes. That each and every line you have to copy. Okay. Now. Exercise 1, page number 29. Page number 29. Exercise 1. All of you open your textbooks. See here. First one. In first sum 6 bits are there. Compute and express the result as a mixed fraction. So, first one I will see questions I won't write on the board. Please see the textbook and write down. First sum, first bit 2 plus, this is first sum, first bit 2 plus 3/4. 2 plus 3/4 you should write as a mixed fraction. So how can you write? direct 2 3 by 4 I will write, but how you will get that one? You should know, no? So take the LCM 4. Here there is no LCM, is 1 will be there. 1 and 4, LCM is 4. Okay, in one table how many times 4 will come? 4 times. Otherwise you can directly do the multiplication. Okay, 2 4s are 8 plus in 4 table 4 will come 1 time, 1 3s are 3. Okay, now 8 plus 3 how much ma? 11. This is an improper fraction. In previous session I said which fraction can be changed into mixed fraction? Only improper fraction. Now 11 by 4 is improper. This you can change as a mixed fraction. Then how can you change? That also I explained. Simple division you have to do in the rough column. Okay. So in 4 table how many times 11 will come? 11 will not come. Less you have to take. So that is 4 2s are 8. So 11 minus 8 is 3. Then how can you write? What the quotient you are getting, that you have to write as a whole number, and what the divisor will be there, that you have to write as a numerator. What the remainder will be there, that you have to write as a numerator, and what the divisor will be there, that you have to write as a denominator. Then 2 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. It is right or wrong, that we'll check. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4. Okay, like this you can write. Now second one, 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Then what is the LCM for 3 and 9? What is the LCM for 3 and 9? 3 table is a common, no? 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So what is the LCM? 3 3s are 9. In 9 table 9 will come 1 time, 1 7s are 7. Plus in 3 table 9 will come 3 times, 3 1s are 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 9. So what is the mixed fraction of 10 by 9? Do it here. 9 1s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. So what you will take as a whole number? Quotient. What is the quotient? 1. Then what you have to take as a numerator? Remainder 1. Divisor is denominator. 1 1 by 9. See, all will be doing mistake here only. Where you will do the mistake? See, I will explain. This 1 1 by 9. Some students are writing like this. Don't write like this. Understood? If you write like this, only here up they will put. That 1 will be come to the numerator only. So you should write big 1. Middle of that whole number you should put the line and write the proper fraction. Understood now? 1 you have to write, and here you can write like this. If you write like this, what is this? This is 11 by 9 only it is seen, no? So don't do that mistake. Write properly, copy properly. Now this is a mixed fraction. Now third is minus. Okay, third one is minus. 1 minus 4 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 7. Now what is the LCM? 7. 1 7s are 7 minus 7 divided by 7, 1. 1 into 4, 4. 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 3. 3 by 7. See here, 3 by 7 is a proper fraction. No? Why? Because numerator is lesser than the denominator. Now this proper fraction can be changed into a mixed fraction. No, we can't change. So what you can write? 3 by 7 can't be changed into a mixed fraction. Okay? Now next one. Fourth one, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now this is what? Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction you have to change into improper first. Now 2 3s are, multiply this whole number into denominator. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now what is the LCM now? 3 and 2. There is no common table, so multiply. 3 2s are 6. In 6 table how many times? In 3 table how many times 6 will come? 2 times. 8s are 16 plus in 2 table how many times 6 will come? 3 times. 3 ones are 3. That is 19 by 6. Now 19 by 6 is a improper fraction. So we can change into a mixed fraction. Now divide in the left column. You know how many times 19 will come in 6 table? It will not come. Less you have to take. That is 6 3s are 18. 1. So what is the whole number? 3. Then numerator is 1 and denominator is 6. So 3 1 by 6 is the mixed fraction of the given one. Now in this 5th and 6th are homework. 5th and 6th bit are homework. 4 sums I explained now. So 5th and 6th. 5th is nothing but like third bit. 6th is like this one, 4th bit. Okay. Now second sum. Arrange the following ascending order. In this 2 are there. Okay. First one I will explain. Second bit you have to do. Arrange the following in ascending order. Second sum, first bit. So what is first bit? 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. This you should arrange into a what? Ascending order. Ascending order means what? Small to big. How can you arrange this into a ascending order? How can you arrange? All denominators are different, no? How in fractions? How can you arrange? How can you compare the fractions? If the new denominator will be equal, then you can compare the numerator. But here all denominators are different. How can we arrange? Means you have to take the LCM of 8, 6 and 2. So 8, 6 and 2 you can take the LCM in the left column. What is the common table for these three? 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Okay. Again 2 table will come. 2 2s are 4, 3, 1. Again 2 table. 1, 3, 1. Again 3 table. 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 is the LCM. So LCM of solution here. LCM of 8, 6, 2 is equal to how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now 24 LCM we got. Then what you have to do afterwards? First take first fraction 5 by 8 to make the denominator as 24. Means by what number you have to multiply by 8? Understood? To make the denominator as 24 means by what number if you multiply by 8? Then it becomes 24. 3. So if you multiply 3 by 3, see here. If you multiply 3 by 3, 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. Denominator we got 24 now. So 3 you have to multiply. Now what is the next fraction? 5 by 6. To make denominator as 24, by what number you have to multiply by 6? 4. That is 4 by 4. So 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. Now this denominator also changed. Now next one, 1 by 2. To make the denominator 24, you should multiply 12 by 12. That is 1 12s are 12 by 12 2s are 24. Now we make all the denominators equal. Now what is asking? Ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but AO we can write now simply. In short form we can write AO. AO is nothing but ascending order. Therefore AO. Ascending order. What is ascending order? Small to big. So numerator you have to compare. What is the numerator? Small numerator here? 12. So 12 by 24. Then after 12 by 24, which will come 15. 15 by 24, comma 20 by 24. Okay. Now, this you wrote. Originally you ought to write according to the question. What is that? 12 by 24. 12 by 24 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, comma 15 by this, 5 by 8, comma 5 by 6. So this is the ascending order. Now understood? Same way how to do the second sum. Now homework. Okay ma. Now note down the homework. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Already in first sum 4 bits I explained. Remaining 2 bits. First sum 5th and 6th bits. 5th and 6th bits. Again second sum second bit. Second sum second bit. Second sum second bit. Okay. This is your homework. Okay. How I did, see that class work and do that. Then you will get the answer. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.